So we just had it. Okay, so let's start. So this is my year-end recap in 2025, and I'm so excited to share with you of my content. Oh, also, okay. So before we start, before we moving on, I want to know that my tagline in 2025 is I don't want to live in regret. So it might be hard to crush any of fear, any of doubt, and but we make it. We made it till here. Yay! Okay, so next. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, so reflect. Okay, so this is me. Aku malu sedikit. So reflecting on 2025. 2025 is about try to stand up, to commitment, to consistent, to um like just stand up and just be present every time throughout the highs and the lows on flowing unpredictable situations. There are so many things that I was always asking myself, is it worth to try? Is it fine if I did A or B? Or is it allowed in the social norms or in public? So yeah, but I think everyone has their style, and as long as you take it in responsibility and awareness, and I mean you recognize that, I think it's totally fine. I mean that the main of my entire of the years. Okay, so let's moving on to, okay, so this is my milestone. Okay, so I have three main point here. And the first one is I joined Pema Press, and I be delegate of N1 of NEDC 2025, and I win a few debate competitions. I just put some off, but there's more. But I think this already scrapped it all. And second, I got invited again into lecture projects. Thank you so much to Malaysia trusting us, me and Camille, to craft it again. And I just hoping for the next project I can be my own self to create it lectures on a community service under nutrition and health. And lastly, I got invited for speaker in my nutrition major, telling about leadership, telling my story, consistency, commitment, also literacy financials, and that was quite fun. And thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you. Semoga masih ada kesempatan dan waktu lagi untuk bisa sharing dan aku juga belajar kayak belajar develop my public speaking, belajar untuk behave, belajar untuk berpikir dengan cepat dan tepat sebelum kita benar-benar berbicara dan bukan um, I mean I want to make a real impact beyond promises. Jadi yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's next on. Okay, so this is sidecast. Setelah ada Vilma Press, we created an organizations that called Imapres Unesa. So in order to we can encourage all of people that who have their achievements. It made so much of achievements. It can be some competition, it can be a speaker, it can be some um or what's called like your craft or any of things. And second, there's this my Napa team, Napa Capital team, and I had so much fun with this doing of these projects, and yeah, how gak bisa describe how happy I am to have these two people. Oh, okay, so let me introduce them. So the blue one is called RR Shahnas Indira, her name, and the middle one, center one, is Dwi Anggraini Ayuning Tias, or we can call Bocil. But she's our chef anyway in our project, so proud of her. Okay, so let's moving on. So this is in Ramadan, and we have gathering with an or unit with my friends and senior at senior high school. Okay, so this is the last the glimpse of with the one of the glimpse of December that we had a sleepover at Chichi's house, and it quite fun. We watching movies, eating bring or both snacks, and started with our name, our first name. So, for example, like B, my name is B, it started B, and I bring a snack. That first name it's the same as my name. And this is my cousin, so we had family discussions, family important appointment. And yeah, it's some of I can identify also what is the main root of how of my personality that shape who I am right now, and also one of is contributed of my family's patterns. And this is of my MPG kelompokku untuk kebutuhan PKL GM nanti, dan alhamdulillah I don't know which one of my prayer that already answers. Cuman aku sangat bersyukur ternyata um, I didn't survive alone. Seperti itu. Oh my god, I really open up and try to behave and be professional at the same time when we created this project. So, hopefully semoga selalu lancar dari awal sampai akhir, dari proses pembuatan, proses pengerjaan, pelaksanaan hari H, hingga laporan, hingga pokoknya kita selesai benar-benar tutup buku. Itu lancar, dimudahkan, dan semoga gak ada iri dan dengki. Okay, so let's moving on to so this is a unique things that I created, that we created. So the first thing first, this is my first time in year trying durian, and thank you so much buat Dela yang udah udah ngajak buat beli atau makan durian. That was thank you so much. Ternyata enggak se menyeramkan itu ya. Okay, also this is my first time beli kopi itu pakai tumbler sendiri. Okay, so I introduce her kind and beauty girl is Kinan. She's really up to into research. Really, she's so smart and clever, and beliau sangat menginspirasi dari ceritanya dari sepanjang kita um, partner. Then I just I just found out my sparks again when I met her. That itu kayak I don't know why I can describe it. This is so it's so good for me in this year. Jadi thanks for her. Okay, so let's moving on. Ini pertama kali we had a book, what they call, some book discussions in cafe. And this is a classic story because we're hunting for a short story, and I grabbed this. Enggak, bukan ini. Jadi kita pilih satu book kemudian di switch seperti itu. Okay, so let's moving on. I finally bought my first digital camera with my own money. Thank you too. Okay, dan ini merupakan salah satu lomba debat di Surabaya juga. Dan ini pertama kalinya aku lomba sambil mengerjakan tugas. Jadi ya emang mungkin suatu saat jadi crush juga. Tapi ya pintar-pintar mengatur waktu dan energi, it's really important. And this is my first time kita trekking ke Bukit Condoro, dan for some hope semoga masih bisa trekking lagi, hiking lagi to other place. I hope so. Oke, guys, ini di Malang yang last picture. Dan itu aku pertama kalinya menimba air dari sumur timba sumur. Aku nge-search itu timba sumur, sumur timba. I don't know. Tapi this is, I mean, I just got impressed kayak aku melihat secara langsung hal itu karena selama um, 20 tahun aku baru pertama kali ngeliat ini. And yeah, kayak oh wow, this jadi kayak nginget jadi kayak mengajak aku untuk bernostalgia walaupun aku sama sekali belum pernah ada di satu fase itu. Okay, so this is the challenges and growth. Okay, the challenges, the two big challenges is I often doubting myself and consistency. It's really hard to be present every time, everywhere or anywhere. I just did but small, but I do things I do agree that small progress also progress. Okay, and the lessons here about communication tell what are you need or what is tolerance between or among us. It's so important. And the lessons is I have to learn how to be stand up for myself. Jadi kayak menurut maksudnya dalam konteks ini itu adalah um, sebagai individu kita harus punya prinsip, kita harus punya rules untuk diri kita sendiri gitu. Karena itu sebagai mungkin it's a minor things, but itu jadi salah satu tanggung jawab juga gitu. Because I do did a mistake, terutama dalam financial things, in section financial, karena kadang aku udah ngeset, okay, I just spend for this for amount of this, but ternyata boros juga. Dan aku sadar aku itu ada susah banget untuk lepas dari instant gratification. That's it. And for 2026, I hope I can reduce that. Okay, so here we have figure of the year. So um, ini tidak mengurangi rasa hormat aku dan rasa appreciate aku ke orang-orang lain yang udah berkontribusi juga ke dalam fase hidupku selama my entire of the year. But I don't want to make it this more exclusive. So I have three person or figure of the year here yang membekas di aku, yang ngasih some like I just get phrase at the time when I receive those message. Gitu. So first, this is for my debate coach. He said that I don't know how to be mediocre, but I know how to stand up. Jadi ini benar-benar yang kayak oh iya, ya udah. Tapi basicnya adalah ya udah berusaha. Gitu. I mean berusaha dalam artian kita itu punya target. He is always say like that. Jadi biar waktu and energy itu ada atau bisa di countable atau bisa di measurable seperti itu. And second, this is in Pilma press context where everyone some of their representative itu datang kayak keluarga, teman atau supporter lah. Tapi ini menurutku aku bersyukur banget karena kebetulan pada saat lomba itu teman-temanku lagi praktikum. Jadi belum bisa datang dan memang nggak ada yang datang juga gitu dan karena aku malu, bre. Kayak um, it just giving the add-on of pressures. Cuman bersyukurnya adalah aku ditemani beberapa dosen yang udah ada yang udah ada di slide-slide sebelumnya. Kayak oh my god, kayak jadi itu bikin aku terpicu untuk melakukan sesuatu yang align dengan aku dan bisa setidaknya membawa nama baik nama prodi. Jadi itu yang kayak oh my god, thank you so much. Padahal aku paham banget mereka pasti punya kesibukan yang lain. Jadi kayak jadi at the same time aku merasa bersalah juga gitu. Tapi thank you so much. Also, dan semoga sehat selalu untuk tiga orang ini, sehat selalu beliau dengan keluarganya, rezekinya dimudahkan dan dilancarkan, dan semoga banyak kesempatan atau dipertemukan dengan orang-orang baik pada waktu yang tepat. Kemudian rezekinya itu rezeki bukan tentang material juga ya, tapi rezeki mungkin dapat opportunity atau mendapatkan tanggung jawab yang mungkin itu mimpi mereka atau anything. And hopefully 2026 benar-benar ngasih some lessons, some new things buat tiga orang ini. And also for everyone also. Maaf, salah ngomong berarti ini. Oke, okay, so and last, karena kita sempat ikut research, Nutrifood Research Fellowships, dan salah satunya ada beliau juga. Beliau ini juga merupakan nutrition lecturers, dan yang sangat membuatku amazed adalah grit beliau yang benar-benar pushing us to make more extra going miles, dan kayak beliau tuh benar-benar mengerahkan kayak semua atau menunjukkan the behavior or the act, waktu, energi, usaha, kayak udah kita maksimalkan aja dulu sampai titik penghabisan gitu. Dan and that's the reason why I really adore her. Okay, so I think that's it. I think sudah selesai. Oh, okay, so this is the what's next that we're looking ahead for 2025. 2025. 2026 harusnya ya. Okay. So this is I have four main, dan yang aku harapkan adalah aku bisa menekankan international exposure and networking, commit for what I target, and become more secure for myself, become self love, self awareness, self compassionate lebih tinggi lagi, dan pastinya I put my God first. Okay. Yay. Bye bye everyone. Thank you so much. Dan aku akan upload ini di YouTube karena aku tahu kalau di HP gak bakal bisa menampung video sepanjang ini. Bye bye. I'm Basma and proud to close. Bye. Okay, so ini gimana cara stopnya? Okay, let me